Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of important for all of us out there, including myself, and that's because every single morning when we are trying to get ready for our work, for college or anything like that, and we're standing in front of our wardrobe and there's nothing to wear, or we feel like there's nothing to wear, even though your wardrobe is like filled with clothes. And I just have 10 very simple, easy tips for you guys to remember next time when you face this dilemma, which is going to be tomorrow morning. And hopefully you'll find these tips helpful and will be able to incorporate it in your day-to-day life so that making wardrobe choices becomes super easy. That's the goal of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, find it useful, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have my handy dandy note right over here. I've written down my 10 tips that I have kind of realized that I've incorporated within myself in the past few years that has really helped me in make wardrobe decisions. And these tips are actually pretty helpful in deciding very quickly what to wear from the things that you already have in your wardrobe. Okay guys, so my 10 tips are divided in like two sections. One is the pre-planning section and one is the post-planning section. So we're going to start off with pre-planning, which brings me to my tip number 1. Plan the night before or plan a week before. I personally like to plan the night before. So this is actually a really helpful tip. I know you guys hear this from a lot of the fashion YouTubers, but how many of you actually do it? Just spend 5 minutes in front of your wardrobe. Just choose what you want to wear, and this will automatically lead you to be super excited to wear that entire outfit the next day. Now, if you're someone who doesn't want to do this every single night, then you can either choose, either 2-3 outfits all together for the next 2-3 days, or you can choose the entire Monday to Friday, outfit schedule on a Sunday or Saturday. For me specifically, if I do plan for a week itself, then I like my Monday and my Friday outfits to be the best out of the week, because I don't know, I kind of feel like you should start off your week with a bang and you should end your week with a bang. This is my tip number 1. It's a very basic tip, but I just really felt like I had to start with this tip because it's just so important and actually very convenient. Okay guys, so my tip number 2, which again falls in the pre-planning category, is to have a Pinterest board or some saved Instagram images. So basically, I am not a huge fan of Pinterest. I know everyone loves Pinterest, but for some reason I find more inspiration on Instagram, looking at other fashion bloggers, celebrities. I get so many outfit inspiration from all of these people on Instagram. This is kind of a nice way to kind of pre-plan your outfits, because if you like something and if you have those pieces in your wardrobe, so on days when you can't decide what to wear, you can just assemble those pieces and just create that exact outfit through the pieces that you already have in your wardrobe. Just finding inspiration online and having them beforehand is a great idea. I always love to save them. Shameless plug. But if you guys want some outfit inspiration from me, then you guys can go and check out my Instagram. If you guys aren't following already, I'll leave my name right here. You guys can go and check it out if you want. So my tip number 3 is change it up. And by that I mean is just change up your style for the day. So if you're someone like me who likes to wear Western clothes 90% of their life and just 10% will wear Indian clothes, I would say that on days when you're feeling uninspired by your Western closet, go to your Indian side, wear a kurti, wear some nice silver oxidized jewelry, and you will actually really love that because it'll just be so different from your usual, t-shirt jeans style. I think most of the time we forget that, we have more than one style in our closet. Or if you're someone who wears Indian, then you can remind yourself that yeah, you can wear, jeans t-shirt for a day, just to change it up a little bit. So my tip number 4 is just wear a dress. So by this I mean is you can either wear a dress or a jumpsuit or something like that, because to be honest, dresses and jumpsuits are a complete outfit. I know a lot of times we feel like, okay, I want to wear this pair of jeans but I don't have any top that will look good with it, or I want to wear this top but there are no jeans or skirts that will go with it. And this is the place where we kind of get stuck. You don't have to deal with a dress being paired with a top or jeans or anything like that. A dress is a dress. You just have to put it on, match some accessories, bags and shoes, and bam, you're out the door. So on days when you just don't want to deal with, you know, having to think about outfit combinations and stuff like that, you can just wear a dress or you can just wear a nice jumpsuit, and honestly it just looks so much more dressier than an outfit combination that you probably would have made spending an hour. My tip number 5 is again a very basic tip because it's called basic. So this tip is also something you must have heard a lot of people on YouTube talk about, which is stick to your basics. You're just not feeling creative enough to make an entire outfit out of it and everything. So that's when your basics come in hand. This can be basics for any occasion. If you're someone who's going to work, have this basic pair of white shirt or a nice blue shirt. Or if you're someone who's going to college, then a white t-shirt, some jeans. Just because you don't have an outfit doesn't mean you won't go to your college or you won't go to work, right? Now I would say that keep this basic option just for emergency purposes only and not for an everyday basis, because otherwise your wardrobe will just be very boring, and honestly you will not be fully utilizing your wardrobe, which is also filled with some other amazing pieces. So just kind of build it up slightly. You don't have to go overboard. Just add those few touches that will make it look not so basic. My 6th tip kind of falls in the pre-planning part of your wardrobe. So this is having a formula, and by that I mean we all have this formula of outfit that we all like to wear. My personal favorite formula that my mind just automatically clicks to whenever I am just looking at my wardrobe is a t-shirt and mom jeans, and I like to tie a knot on the t-shirt, and then I like to pair it with some sneakers, some nice belt, any small bag. This is my personal formula. If you already kind of have like this formula in mind, so that whenever you open your wardrobe, you automatically reach out for, you know, applying that formula. If you guys haven't had the time to think about it, then I would highly recommend you guys to like sit down, think what your formula is and apply it every single day. Now I'm going to move on to my tip number 7, which is repeat after me. Repeating your clothes is not a sin, but I would say that be smart about how you repeat it. It's just about how you style the pieces that will set it apart. I'll just show you guys like 2 different examples of me repeating the exact same outfit, but I just style it in a different way, and it just kind of, I'm not saying that it looks 100% different, like it looks like a completely different outfit, but those tiny changes do make a huge difference. You'll be surprised how innovative you can get. Don't be afraid to repeat your clothes. I know a lot of the time we feel like we don't have anything in your wardrobe because the things that you do want to wear in your wardrobe you've already kind of worn, but you still want to wear that only, and that's why we feel like we don't have anything new. Tip number 8 is have that one consistent piece in your wardrobe that you love, that you can possibly style in many different ways. For me, for example, currently for the past 2 months I have this one pair of black trousers from Zara. So whenever I have these events to attend, my hands automatically gravitate towards that trousers, and after that it's just kind of easy because I already have like one solid foundation. Like, yes, this is the trousers that I want to wear. All I have to do is just find the top for it. Not only are you repeating your clothes from your closet, which is a very good thing, you're also getting very experimental with it, and you get so many different outfit options with that one piece of clothing. My 9th tip is to rearrange. I would highly recommend you guys to rearrange your wardrobe at least twice a year. Once before spring summer and the next before fall winter, and that's because the wardrobe choices are very much different. When you're looking for outfits, it just becomes a lot easier, because imagine like summer is here or spring is here, and you just have all these sweaters and sweatshirts and everything. Honestly, you are never going to reach out for those sweatshirts during summer. When you're putting everything back inside, when you're arranging it, that's the best time to discover pieces in your wardrobe that you haven't worn in a very long time. I highly recommend you guys to just rearrange it season wise and just see how much your wardrobe decision making changes. So moving on to my last and final tip. So this tip is more occasion specific. This is more specific to someone going to a party. I just can't keep constantly buying new things for each and every event to attend, because that is such unhealthy behavior and I really don't want to do that. So separate your party wear from your regular wear, and this way you kind of have a clear mind of what is appropriate for a party or for an event and what is appropriate for every day, so that they kind of feel special, look special. This entire wardrobe decision is all about tricking your mind into thinking that yes, you do have that piece of clothing in your wardrobe, because honestly you do have that piece of clothing in your wardrobe. So in my closet you will always see that my blazers and my fancy dresses and all of those things are separated from my regular side. So then at the end of the day I just have to go through those 10 party options instead of going through my entire 50 options. Those were my 10 tips. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Just make a note of all the points that I mentioned and do try to practice this, and slowly this will kind of become a habit for you guys. Trust me, like, it will help you in the long run a lot. Please let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and also let me know what your outfit formula is. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, so hit that bell button so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!